Hi guys, if you're into tech and you've been scrolling endlessly through job boards that ask for 10 years of experience for an entry-level role, I feel you. Today I've got something way better. I'm walking you through 3 real job opportunities that are open right now. And yes, they're actually hiring. These companies are doing big things in blockchain, cybersecurity, and SaaS, and they're all remote friendly or fully remote. And if you're new here, all these listings came from entryleveljobs.ai, a platform where we handpick jobs that are accessible and actually worth applying to. So if you're trying to break into tech or level up your current role, make sure you check that out after this video. Alright, let's jump into the first job. First up is Say Labs, and if you're into blockchain or Web3, this one's exciting. Say Labs is behind the Say blockchain, which is the first parallelized EVM layer 1 blockchain. That basically means they figured out how to make Web3 apps perform at the same speed and scale as Web2 apps. Think less lag, more users, and real-world adoption. They've raised over $30 million from huge investors like Coinbase Ventures, Jump Crypto, and Multicoin Capital. Now they're looking for a full-stack engineer to join their team. You'd be building everything from back-end APIs and indexers to front-end sites like governance, dashboards, or ecosystem pages. If you've got 3+ years of experience, a full-stack experience, especially with JavaScript, TypeScript, or Node.js, this could be a great fit. They also like if you've got Web3 experience or played around with smart contracts, but it's not required. You'll also be working with SQL, NoSQL, and cloud tools like AWS or Terraform. So if you're someone who loves touching both front-end and back-end, and you're curious about blockchain tech, but don't want to dive straight into smart contract engineering, this is a real balanced, exciting role. And bonus, it's fully remote. And the team is distributed globally, and you'd be collaborating with folks who've worked at Google, Robinhood, Nvidia. Definitely a role where you can learn and grow a lot. So if you're interested in this full stack engineer role with Say Labs, go ahead and apply. Next up, we have StrongDM. And if you're into security, this is a company you should absolutely keep on your radar. StrongDM is all about zero trust privilege access management, which is a fancy way of saying they help companies control access to most of their sensitive systems and data, and they do it really well. Their customer retention rate is 98%, and that's almost unheard of. The role they're hiring for is a full-stack engineer who can work both on front-end and back-end. You'd be building secure, high-throughput networking systems working with TypeScript, React, and on the back-end using Go, but they're also open to folks who work in Rust, C, or C++. You'd also work on cross-platform desktop apps using Electron. And if you have any experience with mobile or distributed systems, that's a huge plus. They're also looking for someone who really enjoys building clean, well-tested code and has a solid design sense. Someone who understands the user experience side but also loves diving into performance and scalability. Now let's talk perks because StrongDM gets it. The salary range is $160,000 to $180,000 plus equity. They cover 100% of your health, dental, and vision insurance for both you and your dependents. You'll also get 401k, HSA, FSA, generous time off, and stipends for your internet and home office. And yes, the job is fully remote and no travel is required. So if you only got around 2 years of experience, and you're ready to build security tools at scale, this is a rare chance to join a high-growth team that values good code and good people. So if you're interested in this full-stack engineer role with StrongDM, I would strongly apply. And last but definitely not least, we've got Localize, a fully remote SaaS company that helps organizations translate their websites and apps into different languages. Think of them as the tech behind the scenes that makes websites multilingual. And their client list is impressive. NYU Langone, Hrefs, and even the University of Nebraska use their tools. They're hiring a full stack engineer to help build new features and improve the core product. Their stack includes React, Redux on the front end, and Node.js and Express on the back end. They use MongoDB, Redis, AWS, and a bunch of tools like Jira, CircleCI, and Jest. This is a great opportunity if you've got 6+ years of experience and you like having input on product decisions, architecture, and long-term planning. You won't just be coding, you'll be involved in everything from design to infrastructure, collaborating with the product team, reviewing code, and helping shape the direction of the platform. The company is small, around 20 people, which means your work has a huge impact. And even though they're small, they take good care of their people. Competitive salary, 401k with matching, fully paid health, dental, and vision, and even a new MacBook Pro plus a monthly internet stipend. They're 100% remote and you can work anywhere in North America. If you're someone who enjoys both back-end and front-end and you want to work at a company that values autonomy and clean architecture, this one's for you. So if you're interested in this full-stack engineer position with Localize, I would definitely apply. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, okay, these sound awesome, but I'm not sure I'm ready skill-wise, don't worry, I've got you. You can learn everything you need to qualify for these jobs like these at CodingPhase.com. We've got courses on full stack development, React, Node, email development, and even Shopify stores, all designed to help you land real jobs. No fluff, just hands-on learning and support from a community that actually cares. And of course, if you want more vetted job listings like the ones I shared today, go check out entryleveljobs.ai. We post weekly, we don't allow fake listings, and we make sure the jobs are actually relevant for people in early to mid stages of their career. We just give real opportunities. If this video helped you, go ahead and like it, subscribe for more job breakdowns every week, and let me know in the comments which role you're applying to or what kind of job you want me to cover next. Good luck out there applying, and I'll see you on the next one.